we thought. Like,
it's hot. It's hot out here. It's like
got the food.
Hey guys, so down here.
It feels nice.
Yeah, it feels pretty nice now. hot. It's hot out here. It's like 100 degrees. How hot is it today? Like 99?
I think it is 100.
It's like 100 degrees, 99 degrees. And now the land is barren. We got it all cut down, and I don't know, I kind of didn't want to cut it, but at the same time we needed to. There's too many blackberry and brush. So now everything is pretty much mowed down, and it's not gonna grow back until next spring. So I'm kind of worried about the fall and the winter once it starts raining a lot, and I'm hoping it doesn't all wash too much and get a little muddy, but we'll see. So, you see, he mowed all this down. He's almost done now. He's still over there cutting, but brush hogged it all, so I'm probably gonna stop moving the sheep. I'm gonna just move them one more time into the trees, so they'll be in there for the fall. Probably try to make them a shelter for the winter time, but yeah, everything is cut down, so we can drive through here real easily now. All those weeds. I'm gonna try to fertilize this with some kind of manure. So hopefully next spring we can get more grass growing and more desirable forage. The sheep are all over there. They keep going back and forth. But he's over there cut all this. So it's nice not having all the blackberry, but it'll be right back next year or next growing season. So blue over there in the shade. So yeah, once we move the sheep, we might move them tomorrow if I can. I need to cut a pathway in through here, so I got to figure out where I'm gonna put that at. So I'm gonna have to put the fence around this forest. Have the sheep come in. Probably have it come right in through here. Cut in that way. Hopefully you got enough fence to go all the way through. But you see, it looks real hot and dry now. It's crazy seeing it. But we needed to cut it. I see we can rake some of this up, some of the grass and stuff. Blue, it's hot, boy. It's hot. Yeah. But it's nice having it open now. Being able to walk through it makes a big difference. Feels a lot cooler back in here. Hey, over there, hot. It's hot out here. So we cleared all this. I'm gonna put the fence along through here. I'm gonna try to connect it to the pen so they can still have access to the pen. And we might feed them in there. But we'll have the fence come through here. I'm gonna put the fence through this way. I gotta see how far out I can go, but I'm gonna try to cut through this and then go back to that other side I just showed y'all. The other side is on the other side of these trees, so it's pretty dense in there though. It's gonna be a lot of cutting, so I might start back up while we're still out here. See a big old pile we started. We're gonna have to pull that somewhere. But Nay, you hot. Oh, Nay's hungry and hot. Oh. What you hungry for, Nay, huh?
I don't know. I just want some food.
That'd be a thumbnail right there. So Now he's over there cutting. Probably plant some crops over in that area. And in the car getting ready to go get some food and bring some food back. I'll be over here cutting some trees.
Okay, Zay's friend is still out there cutting and like brush hogging, and it took longer than we thought. Like, it's taking kind of longer than we thought, so everyone is hungry. So I'm gonna go and get us some food real fast, and hopefully by the time I get back, he's almost done. food, getting the gas now. So gas stations start playing commercials on the machines now. That's new.
Hey guys, so you can see everywhere he cut now. It's the next day. We got blue out here. It's kind of raining right now. It was 100 degrees yesterday, and now it's kind of cool and raining.
It feels nice.
Yeah, it feels pretty nice now. But it's just kind of weird. It's been storm weather because it's been getting hot and cold, and there was a tornado nearby the other day. But we're just kind of walking around looking everywhere he cut.
Yeah.
It actually looks pretty good.
Because that's where he cut the path.
I hate seeing it so bare, but yeah, we gotta walk through here, cut through the path. Cause yeah, I did want this tunnel cut, cause
this is really cool.
it's nice. But yeah, we can drive through here, and this will be a nice little roadway.
Yeah. This is
So you can see.
nice thing.
Before you had to worry about spiders on little shrubs and stuff. And he walked through here. This is the one area he wasn't able to make it to yet, but it wasn't as crucial to cut on this side.
Yeah.
So, getting these. We got to get some actual rain jackets.
Yeah.
So then I didn't know he cut into that path.
Yeah, I didn't know he went all the way. He must have went all the way down to the creek. That's crazy.
I kind of want to see. Let's see what's. I didn't know he cut down here.
Me either.
So that's nice. We can cut through this way.
That's funny.
Okay. Yeah.
It's cool. I'm glad he did, actually.
Yeah, I'm glad he cut it.
It was hard to walk over here, too.
It was pretty dense, so. You see all the grass? There's a lot of grass up in here. Mess around and have to get some of this for some hay or something. But it's some little bit of better grass back in here because the soil's changed. Some more fertile soils by the creek.
Yeah.
So I guess he did a loop in here.
No wonder why it took him so long.
Yeah, we didn't know he was back here. He was out here exploring.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to keep going? He was out here exploring probably. He felt like, man, came back here. I want to make it kind of like, it will be kind of like a park though, because
yeah.
get Blue coming. Blue, I think he likes it too. He's looking like it's a path.
Walk through it easier.
But yeah, it's cool. And then if we can get a road in here with some gravel or some kind of stone, that'd be perfect. So then we can just drive through here smooth. Just might drop a load. Have a little stream crossing. I'm gonna get some rocks in here to level this out. So, the creek. That opening side of the creek.